What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna list this is part 2 for creating animation in Gdevelop 5. So yeah guys, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. So in the last video we discussed about walking and standing animation. So in this video is gonna list out when to play those types of animation. So it's gonna be really interesting guys, so please stay in tune. So what's up guys, so let's officially start the video right now. So here we got event on our action all set up. So here I'm going to type in keys on the top. After I'm typing in keys, this is going to say which button. Keys represent a button, so I'm going to say left button, which represents the left arrow on your keyboard. You guys understand? So when I say left, represent the left arrow on the keyboard. So I'm going to type in right here. So when right is pressed, it represents the right arrow on your keyboard. Right guys, so here we're gonna go into animations and go wait no it's effects and flip animation. Go on, put it no. So no, if you press no, it's gonna go right. Right, if yes, it's gonna go left. Let's see guys, let's press play and see. So now we're pressing the left arrow key, now we're pressing the right. So now you can see it's going a different direction, not going the right direction. So I'm gonna put this up here. So when I press the left arrow key, I press the right. So now I press the left arrow key. Now I'm gonna press the left arrow key. Oh, now you see looking in our direction. Now I press the right arrow key, is looking the right direction. Now if I press space, you can see it's still looking in the direction that I intended to look. And that's pretty much it for this video guys. Yeah, there will be more coming out, a lot more for the animation. There may be animation part 3, animation part 2. It's just that easy guys. Just remember, subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe to the channel.